It's time to prepare our cocktail. First of all, we will make the ring. Because it is frozen, we will use gelatin, so when at room temperature it will melt over the glass. Just like the recipe of this cocktail, this ring is made out of coconut milk, calendula oils, and dry beetroot that recalls the color of the glass. We use a pipette to add the liquid in the mold and put it in the freezer. Once it is frozen, we can now take the edible ring out. We dip it in sugar syrup and coconut shavings. It is the time to place the ring on the designated space that we 3D designed on the cocktail glass. Our recipe for this cocktail is our very special boatyard gin Mariposa Negra edition. Coconut milk, calendula, cassia bark, fresh grapefruit, and cherry liqueur. Mind to reality technique is applied in every cocktail we create here in Mariposa Negra, in order to achieve the perfect experience when someone has one of our cocktails with us. It allows us to be very creative and not to put limits to our imagination. If you enjoyed this episode and you would like to know more details, you can go to our website or contact us by email, as we organize courses for amateurs and professionals. Don't forget to follow us so you don't miss any new content. Like and share!